Imagine waking up, alone, in the Amazon rainforest. No food, no tools, and something watching you. The Amazon is 55 million years old, and it doesn't care if you survive the next hour. Out here, sound keeps you alive. Birds stop singing. Something big is moving. Dehydration kills faster than predators. Follow ants. They lead to water sources more reliably than maps. With fire, you cook food, signal help, and scare away the things that hunt after dark. In the Amazon, the brightest things are the most deadly. Frogs, berries, even flowers. The Amazon rewards the calm, the alert, and the prepared. Out here, survival isn't luck. It's choices.